Trying to decide between a 2D or 3D challenge coin? In this video, we'll break down the difference and help you choose the best option for your design. A 2D challenge coin has two levels of relief, raised areas and recessed areas. That creates a sharp, clean contrast across the design. 2D coins are great for logos, badges, seals, and clean artwork with strong lines. They're a popular choice for military units, police and fire departments, and businesses that want a bold and easy to read design. A 3D challenge coin, on the other hand, uses multiple levels of relief to create sculpted detail, rounded edges, curved surfaces, and texture that goes slightly above the surface of the coin. 3D coins are ideal for detailed, in-depth artwork like faces, buildings, and vehicles. A 3D upgrade gives your coin a more premium, high-end look with sculpted depth, realistic detail, and a stronger visual impact. So, should you choose a 2D or 3D challenge coin? It depends on your design. Choose 2D if your coin needs to be simple and cost-effective for a design like a department patch, badge, or logo. Choose 3D when your coin needs texture and realism for a design like a military aircraft, monument, or skyline. And if you're not sure, our team can review your artwork, budget, and timeline before recommending the best style. At All About Challenge Coins, real people are here to make your challenge coin idea into a reality. With free design help, fast production, and free shipping, we make creating custom challenge coins easy and stress-free. Start your custom challenge coin project today. It's free and our team is here to help.